The MatataStudio M2C Wireless Microscope delivers a broad magnification range from casual close-ups to detailed inspection, making it surprisingly capable for both hobbyists and students. Its integrated high-definition camera and adjustable lighting produce crisp, bright images that make tiny textures, markings, and surface flaws easy to see. Wireless connectivity and the companion application make capturing photos and videos straightforward, so sharing discoveries or documenting projects feels effortless. The compact body and collapsible stand strike a good balance between portability and stability, allowing comfortable hands-free viewing at a desk or out in the field. Strong cross-platform support means it works smoothly with common smartphones, tablets, and computers, which is especially helpful in households with mixed devices. A rechargeable battery that comfortably covers extended sessions encourages longer explorations, from examining coins and jewelry to checking circuit boards and small repairs.